G'day all. Here we have an OKMO Microcosm vertical single cylinder engine. This one is called the M31B and it's a double acting steam engine. I also have the P71 Mini Pump made by OKMO Microcosm that I've done a lot of, I've changed it right up, and I'll show you some photos here. Here's some close-up photos of what I've done to this, and also some close-up photos of the M31B. Now it's called the M31B because it has the Stevenson linkage. The boiler I'm using today is a MSM, it's a 4-inch copper boiler. It's made in Melbourne, Australia. It's my absolute favourite boiler lately, and it's my go-to boiler. I've just got it connected to the M31B with some silicone tubing, which has been working out really well, a lot easier than having copper pipes all the time. I'm hoping it holds and doesn't blow off. I have had it blow off a few times, but look, it's got enough pressure in the boiler now. So let's get the M31B started, and then we'll see if we can get this M71 Mini Pump going. So we'll turn the steam on. Just get that steam going through. Okay, so the engine's going. And it's running the pump. Just turn that down a little tiny bit. And I'm going to move the camera and zoom in on the pump. Okay, now I can't remember if this P71 Mini Pump is self-priming or not, but we'll soon find out. So here goes the water. Yep, it looks like it's self-priming. Okay, the first cascade is filling up. Second cascade is filling up. Okay, just nearly overflows, but it doesn't. Third cascade is filling up. Oh, and there we are. So that's reticulating back out of this. Making this was a job I don't really want to ever do again. So it's impossible for me to ever make a video without dogs barking. But nevertheless, I'll persevere. Connie, this is one of the mischief makers. I don't know what it's. I'm trying to do a video, and it's Connie, and it's just ripping up. It's only 9 months old. Connie, come on. Connie, quick, where are you? Connie, hello. She's only 9 months old. Absolute mischief. Total mischief maker. Here's the other one trying to get involved as well. Absolute mischief makers. Every time I'm making a video, when you hear barking, it's these two. Silky Terriers. This is, these are copper end caps, copper plumbing end caps, and these three are all silver-brazed together, and then brazed onto a brass round bar here, and then that's brazed onto the bottom here, which was some flattened copper that I flattened out some copper, and this is 4-inch copper plumbing pipe, and then this was brazed onto some flat brass, and I made the brass bolts out of some hanks, and the little pump is sitting on this plinth, which is then on top of another plinth. But this is some PMR tubing. I actually I made the tubing out of plumbing taps, spindles, and these are PMR elbows. But getting back to this was a nightmare to silver-braze up, but it works really well, and I'm happy with it. It looks good. So there we have it. The M31V, the OKMO Microcosm vertical single cylinder engine. It's the M31V, and the little P71 Mini Pump. I'll just zoom back out again. That's a really nice setup. This is something that I could sit in my steam room and look at and get a lot of enjoyment and just watch everything moving. Really do like that 4-inch boiler from MSM. This was a lot of fun. I made this out of plumbing bits and pieces as well. It's not a chuff pot. It does sort of act slightly like a chuff pot, but it's just a condensate pot. This is a lovely little steam engine, this. I'll just zoom in on that. Yep, a lot of pleasure just sitting in here, watching this. Had a lot of fun making this. And happy it all works. So as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now. Bye now.